Ready to take control of your investments and ditch the paper statements? If you have EverBank investment accounts, you know that keeping an eye on your portfolio is crucial. But navigating a new online platform to manage your money can sometimes feel like a puzzle. Whether you're a long-time client or just opened your first account, getting fast, secure access to your investment tools online is essential for monitoring performance, making trades, and staying on top of your financial goals. We're here to simplify that process. In this video, we'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to access all of your EverBank investment tools right from your computer or mobile device. Let's dive in. The first and most important step is simple. Go to the official EverBank website. Look for the main login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the home page. Clicking Login will take you to the Secure Access page. Now, here's where it's important to know which accounts you're accessing. If you have both banking and investment accounts, you might see separate login options or a unified client login. EverBank often provides a single sign-on experience for clients, but if you have brokerage or specific world markets accounts, you may need to select a dedicated investment login path. Look closely at the login screen for options like personal banking or investment/brokerage accounts. Once you've selected the correct portal, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password. If this is your first time logging in or if you've been inactive, you might need to complete a one-time registration. If you haven't done this, look for a link that says register or need online access. You will need personal information like your name, social security number, and an account number to set up your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your account's dashboard. This dashboard is your financial control center. You should see a summary of all your accounts. To access your investment tools, look for tabs or links labeled things like investments, brokerage, world markets, or simply select your specific investment account from the list. Once you're in your investment section, you can start managing your assets. You'll find tools for viewing balances and performance. Check your current holdings, historical performance, and account value. Transactions, initiate trades, buy and sell securities, or set up recurring investments. Documents and statements, access your trade confirmations, tax documents, and monthly statements electronically. Remember, EverBank's online platform provides a secure environment. Always keep your user ID and password confidential, and take advantage of any security features like multi-factor authentication if available. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your entire EverBank investment portfolio is at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to monitor your progress and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.